Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla -1 surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla -1 surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. This way it kind of looks like a card. Next, I'm going to fold my paper one more time, line up the corners again, and give it another nice fold. This way it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now, I like to turn my paper so I can open up my fold like this. So I'm kind of pulling it towards myself. Now, to start off with our Godzilla -1, let's begin by drawing the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to come down, and then I'm going to bring this back to here. Then starting here, I'm going to make another line that just kind of comes back here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then up. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then we'll curve it up. And then we'll draw a line that goes down and up for the pupil. And I'm going to color in most of this, and I'll leave just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to bring this back a little bit. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to draw a line that just comes up and then down to here. Now, starting here for the nose, let's draw a line that's just going to come up and down. They'll make another one that's going to come up and down. And then one more that's going to go right to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then I'm going to go down. I'm going to bring this up, and then we'll bring it back around for the nose. And we can color this part in. Then we'll make a little curved line coming up here. Next, we'll bring a line down here. And then we'll just bring this line down. Now, before we do any more down here, let's go ahead and kind of finish up the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down to a point. I want to bring this up and then down. And we're going to kind of bring this back. And then I'm just going to make more points all around here. Then I'm going to bring this down and over, and then down to here. Then I'm just going to make a little broken line right around here. Now, starting down here, I'm going to bring this line into here. Then I'm going to bring another line that's going to come down. We're going to go up and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down again. Then we're going to bring this line up for the jaw. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that kind of curves down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down and then down to here. Then I'll make a line down here and a line that kind of comes up. For some detail on the neck, let's draw a couple little lines that come up here and then one right here. Then I'm just going to start making some little points right around here. And then we're just going to kind of fill this up with some different little points along here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then up here. And then we're going to make a couple little lines right here. Next, I'm going to make a couple little broken lines here. And then a couple little lines here. Right up here, let's make a little line that's going to come over and then back here for the ear. Then we'll just kind of curve this line up for the inside of the ear. Now for the spikes, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up like this and then down. And we'll bring a little line over to here. And then one more here. Now, once we have all this done, our next step is going to be to open this up and draw the inside. Now, after we open this up, we have two halves of our Godzilla -1. Now, the first thing we're going to do is let's start over here with the mouth. So I'm going to begin by curving this line down, and then I'm going to bring this up. Then I'm going to come down again, and I'm going to bring this up, and then we're going to come down here. Next, I'm going to curve this line in, and I'm going to make another little bump like this. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and we're just going to curve it down to connect to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down. And then we're going to add a couple little kind of broken lines in here just for some little detail. Now, inside of here, let's go ahead and add some nice sharp teeth for the inside of our Godzilla -1. So I'm just going to add some really sharp teeth in here. Do that on the top, and then we'll do the same thing at the bottom. I like to make some of mine different sizes, and I'm going to bring these all the way back to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to start bringing some of these lines down a little bit more, just to kind of finish off some of these kind of bumpy texture. Then I'm going to add a little line here. We'll add a line here and a line here, and then a line right here. And that way those will kind of finish off as spikes. I'm going to make a couple little kind of broken lines right here. And then a little line up and down here. And then I'm going to kind of curve this line down. Then I'll add a couple little broken lines right around here too. And then a little broken line down here. Next, I want to add his big blast that's coming out. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come out. I'm going to make a couple little kind of points on it. And then same thing here, I'm going to bring this out with a couple little points in some different spots. I'm going to bring this out here, and I'm just going to make this really jagged for the blast. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Godzilla -1 surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our basic Godzilla -1 face, and then when we open it, we can see that he is shooting his atomic blast. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.